Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade salsa with fresh tomatoes. First, select your ingredients carefully. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapenos for a little kick. Don't forget fresh lime juice, a couple of cloves of garlic, and a pinch of salt to bring out all those wonderful flavors. Now, let's get chopping. Start by dicing your tomatoes into small, manageable pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Then, finely chop your onion and cilantro. For the jalapenos, remove the seeds for less heat, then mince them along with your garlic. This careful preparation ensures every bite of your salsa is perfectly balanced. Once everything is prepped, it's time to bring it all together. Transfer your diced tomatoes, chopped onion, cilantro, minced jalapenos, and garlic into a large mixing bowl. Squeeze in the juice from 1 or 2 fresh limes, depending on your preference for tanginess. Stir everything gently, then add salt, starting with about 1/2 teaspoon, and taste to adjust. The final step is crucial for the best flavor. Cover your salsa and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting time allows all the ingredients to meld together beautifully, creating a more complex and delicious taste. Serve your amazing homemade salsa with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant topping for your favorite dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.